Hello everyone, welcome on the stream. And we are in this gold trade right now. Let me show you something. I was in this gold trade. My stop loss was here, and after the trade was went here, I went felt asleep and I went to bed. I went to bed. Then from there, market just reversed and took my SL, and now I am going on this trade. The trade is not confirmed, but it is still going up, so I am holding on this trade. $180 in profit we are in. Let me share my stream with my audience, then I will be back with commentary. Mhm. Edit this. This is Wednesday, Tuesday, April 6th. London session Tuesday, April 7th. So here we are trading the London session. Let me mark the S yellow of the day. I think this is the S yellow. Here it will be taken out later in the day. The London session has begun just 3 minutes ago. S yellow Tuesday, April 7th. Let's get to red. Now we have Asia high as well. The Asia high is all the Asia high is all the way up here. So we might take out the Asia high during this London session. Hello cartoon character, how are you? Welcome on the stream. I took another entry. Previous entry was uh, taken out the stop loss when the market was here. I fall asleep and I couldn't take any partial above here. So I I got out of the trade with break even right here, and this is another trade I have taken. If you want to get into a trade, I would suggest wait for the market to give a body candle closer above this high, then we can take a trade. RR, this trade is 1 is to 6 RR. We will swipe out this high. This high is not swiped out. Yes, we are still going up and down at the opening price of the day. So okay, you are good. Nice to hear that you are good. I am still in drawdown on $300. My payout target is $1,000 with this my wealth or funded account. Let's see if I'm able to achieve the target or not. Let me trace the SL. There is no point in having the SL here. It will be at $100. Not at this fair value gap. My SL is traced all the way here. This is SL tracement with red color. Let's this widen it up 3 pixels wide. Now what we want to see is a body candle closer above this high, so we can get another entry to take long. Let's look at MNQ. MNQ will present a lot of opportunities during the London session. It's the market closed and opened here somewhere, so we can get a long opportunity very well. Here is the long opportunity. If you are waiting for a long opportunity on Nasdaq, then this is the long opportunity. Long here. Let me make this some other color. Make it black. I will say why what happened here. Long here. उल्टा हो गया. Long here. Stop loss below the low and aim for the opening price of the day. That is this one. Or you can aim for this high 1 is to 10 RR on the NQ. Coming back on gold, the market is giving some kind of dome sweep of price action, but well, what we want to see is swipe of this high, then we can look for any entry higher. Thank you, cartoon character. Thank you for your prayers. We are at $700. We need $300 more, and if we hit the TP, we will go break even, and then we will target for $1,000 as the payout. Let's look at my wealth or funded account. dashboard. Oh shit, it's asking for email. admin.wealthorafunded.com. Oh, I have to sign in. I'm not signing in right now in the video call for sure. We are going to get a breakout soon. आप कौन सा स्ट्रेटजी यूज़ करते हो? हम गोल्ड पे एक ही स्ट्रेटजी यूज़ करते हैं जिसका नाम है थंडर फेयर वैल्यू गैप, जिसको मैंने खुद से डेवलप किया है, तो यही मेरी स्ट्रेटजी है। और हम सिर्फ इसी से ही ट्रेड करते हैं गोल्ड में, और कोई स्ट्रेटजी हम मुझे समझ में नहीं आती है गोल्ड में। तो हम गोल्ड में सिर्फ एक और एक ही स्ट्रेटजी से ट्रेड करते हैं जिसका नाम है थंडर फेयर वैल्यू गैप, एंड दैट्स द ओनली strategy that I use to trade gold. I think we have a breakout. Yes, we have a breakout. For God's sake, we have a breakout here. Nah, the market candlestick came in back in inside the range. We took out this liquidity. Looking at the daily time frame, let's delete everything for a moment. We are going to get at this level for sure, and this level too. So let's bring them back. What happened? Here are my drawings. We are aiming for a little bit higher than new week opening, and the market will surely do that. That is here. If we get this trade in the London session, then in the New York session will be our profitable trade. Atlas funded. I have never tried Atlas funded. For Sorry for that, but I have never tried Atlas funded. If you want to try some new firm for cheap, then go for Atlas funded. You can go. At least I have heard about it, but I've never tried them. We don't want to see a market structure shift here, then or else the market can take a U-turn to the downside. We really don't want to see any market structure shift here, or that can be bad for us. The candlesticks might try and touch this today's opening price again, and then it will give a boost up to the upside. But it would be good to take out this liquidity as well. As I had said, that I don't want to see a body candle closer below this low, but it did swipe out this liquidity, and the new market structure shift becomes this high. So we want to see a market structure shift here, and we will get an entry to the long. Just a little bit up more. It's like 82, right? We are at 53, 52. We need 30. We need 300 pips more to get take our profit. If you are waiting for a setup, then I would suggest to wait until we get a market structure shift. Only then we will be able to get a entry for the long side. Till then, just have patience. So we have bad news. The market has given a body candle closer below this low. So, but we don't have any kind of fair value gaps here. Market might use this doji to push the prices lower. So observe the prices around this doji candle. It's thunder doji. Observe the prices around here. If we get above this, above the mean threshold of this thunder doji, then we are good to go up to the upside. Or else the market will be forced or pushed to the lower side. So we are good to go up. This doji has been invalidated. Please wait for this candle to close above this market structure shift so I can give you an entry to the long side. We are consolidating at 5 minutes time frame in here, and that is why the market is not going up. Have patience, please. Just have patience. The market will go up. It should not wrap around this doji candle. The mean threshold has already been invalidated, so market is not poised to go down. We have touched the uh, opening price of the day again, and it's about to 330. The volume should come at 330 with a very high intensity. We are currently at $137 in profit. This candle has taken out the liquidity from below, and it is going to the upside now. I hope it gives a pullback and my stop loss is not taken out. I'm hoping for this fair value gap to become a faraway gap. So all the liquidity has been swiped here. And now let's see how the next candle unfolds. If I get stopped out, that wouldn't be a matter. I will still be in profits of $80 something. We have new 5 minutes candle, and let's see how the market will print on the price chart. The market structure shift has been shifted here. I hope we get a market structure shift to get a bullish uh, 100 fair value gap, so we can enter again. But if the market tries to go lower and goes to my SL, then I have to re-enter again with this. Market is spending so much of time in the lower side of the and opening price of its opening price, meaning there is a lot of momentum for the bullish side of to unfold. We are just few points, 1 point away from the stop loss, and my stop loss is taken out. I'm in $77 in profit, that is $75 in profit right now, and I need. Okay, so I got stopped out at the very best place. Like it was really a best place to be stopped out. Now let's see, look at M&Q if we can get any trade entries here. Okay, so market took out the stop loss if you were in this trade. We will take an entry with was this according to Thunder FVG. Yes, sorry, I mean inversion FVG. You see we have a volume imbalance, so we can consider these two candles into one S1 candle. Even if you do this, the market is inside is in the version fair value gap, so we will take a trade from here on NBX for stop loss below the lows is $50. Now let's see where the TP will be placed. 50 minutes time frame chart. TP will be placed as the opening price, that is here. Let's see if the market is ready to go to the bull side or not. We will observe the market in 5 minutes time frame on MT5 chart, or I say 50 minutes time frame. Now let's see how it goes. We will have to mark our entry and exit on the US 100. Entry is 204053. 204053. This is our entry. Exit 2040, 204, 20401. Exit 24180, 24,180, 24,180, 24,180. The market entry exit is quite high. 24,180, 24,180 here. So we should be seeing big price moves right now. If we see this as an inversion fair value gap, high lower low higher high, then this will be the inversion fair value gap. Even this can be considered a proper inversion fair value gap. Visual sent to back, visual under sent to back, and this one too. We have a 1 is to 10 RR trade. That's exactly what we are aiming for today. Now we need how many? We need $360 to get break even. So if we get full TPs, then we will win about $200 in profits. But the question is, we will get at full TP? Let's come back at gold. Gold has nothing for us right now. It's all at the end queue. The volume should have already hit the market. We need this kind of volume now. The volume should be like this for the rest of the day. I will stream till 5 a.m. and then I will close the stream. Let's have patience now. Let's see if we get to our let's see if it gets to our TP. This is a trade of many times. I have missed this kind of trade. Let's lower the color of this. It's hurting in my eyes right now. Let's do this. Now it looks little better and cleaner. Sorry to not to speak much, but I don't have anything to speak right now. Let's see something on the other stuff, other side of the market. I am aiming for a very big target, but according to 50 minutes time frame, it shouldn't be that big. On 5 minutes time frame, it is giving a doji. We are in London session, and yet there is no volatility yet in the market. The gold is going up now. We are already out, so we can't have this placement like this. We must do it like it here. This was 1 is to 1.9 trade. Thus, here the liquidity is taken out, and we have a market structure shift here. If we get a market structure shift, then I will try to take a trade here as well. Market is moving up higher slowly but steadily. That is a good sign. We should be moving up by now. We are at $700. The stream health has been come to poor because of a lot of stuff I'm doing. Let's see how the trade goes right now. We also have this unicorn model here. I think this unicorn model has delivered its purpose. Very soon, brother. I will do the account giveaways very soon. I hope the market doesn't come back to barcoding on 15 minutes time frame and it begins its expansion to the higher side. That is the fear for right now. Market has consolidated a lot here, and bro, rent you trying your Blue Guardian account? Bro, I actually, why you didn't trade your Blue Guardian account? Bro, I breached my Blue Guardian accounts. That's why yesterday. Yes, bro, that's the one thing very sad stuff that I breached my funded account on Blue Guardians futures. I just a grief. I can't overcome, or else I'm not being able to overcome right now. I have not been able to overcome the grief of my losing my Blue Guardian futures account till now. That is a very good perform, and somehow I lost the account. I had many chances where I could have closed the trade with break even, but I did not, and I think that's what got my account. So market has come to barcode. That's not a big problem at all, I think. So we are in macro time frame right now, so market should give big moves. We are in 350 to 14 macro. We are transitioning to NY NY open pre-market session. Let's look at it 1 minute time frame, and you can see the market is slowly coming down instead of going up from this inversion fair value gap. There is an inversion fair value gap above as well, and you don't want to go ignore that, although it has already delivered its uh, purpose, but it's still in use. Hi Sumant. So we have retraced back all the way down to our inversion fair value gap, and there is still chance for others to take in trade into this entry into this trade, but I don't think the market will go up just right now. It might take like New York session to take the market above the horizon to the new opening price of the day. Let's look at gold. Till then, the gold is just trading at city was trading. Let's come back at 5 minutes time frame. Well, the trade is going quite well, and I need to go somewhere. So for 10 minutes. So please excuse me, and I will come in 10 minutes. Sorry for the inconvenience. So hello, I am back and I can see some very big moves right now. So if you had the chance to get into this trade, so tell me, did you came into this trade? And I think I will just I'm $80 up. And do you think I should trace the TP to somewhere here like $700? I sell delivery trace to $250. Now I sell just trace, let's trace I sell just to be and wait for the candle to do its job. I hope the market does not give a very big retracement down. Even if does, the market should go higher to the upside. Now that's a very big retracement. We had a big candle. Our TP was left open by just one tick. So we are right now in again back in drawdown. So none of the liquidities were taken out. And I am sure that the market will come at least up to what was this? Let's see a Dixie had some MCL must have a bad trading counter to the bad downside because they are kind of anti-correlated, not fully anti-correlated, I will say. If the market closes above the 50% of the candle, then only then we have any chance that the market will go up high again. Otherwise, the market can come down back. I don't know what was the reason for this huge retracement. The mas- the markets do not have retraced with such an aggressive movement. We are back at where we had started, so I'm very bad sad right now. But let's just wait and see what how the market plays out. Did we touch the today's end of? Actually, we did not touch the today's end of. Let me see MNQ. Did we touch today's end of? Did we touch today's opening price? Here it is. Today's opening price. So we did not touch the today's opening price, so we can expect for the market to move higher again. However, the market can go to consolidation again. But it will stay inside this. The market will stay inside this quadrant. That's what I'm hoping right now. Let's come back at next 100. Now such a bad day, are such a bad day. The luck is totally out of my favor. This could have been a winning trade. Well, I have traced my TP to above, like, let's come at 15 minutes time frame. I have traced my TP to 424242 42 4242 4242 here by these candlesticks. I think acting at the liquidity, the highest liquidity is here. We have also new my weak opening gap, so market can pull all the way up here. So now let's see if the market can go up to the side, up to the my TP or not. If I had my Bolu Guardians account right now, it would have been a great trade, and I would have been out of all my drawdowns. And well, the market is going up higher. That is a good indication for us that it can take and it can hit our TP. If it hits our TP, then we will be $700 in profit. Means $300 will go to 300 $400 will go to my break even, and then $300 will be my profit for the day. So let's see if it goes to my take profit or not. If I took this trade live during presence of many traders, so I am sure that you were able to take this trade with me, and you were in the proper risk management. Right now I have increased my take profit from 180 to 124 182 to 24 to 42 because of the volatility just like we just got right now. And then also observing the market on 15 minutes time frame on the MT5. So let's see how it goes. Currently the market is looking quite bullish, but we will see the what kind of price action is unfolded at 50% of the week, that is consequent encroachment of the week, and only then we will have any kind of bias whether it is going bullish or bearish. Well, I am observing one thing right now: the indices market and the oil market are uh, anti-correlated. Let me show you why I am saying that. We had we had a impulse move to the downside. At that same time, we had an impulse move to the upside, and the same happened yesterday as well. So I am suggesting that I am suggesting not suggesting that I am observing and saying that the oil and the indices market are kind of anti-correlated. So maybe this can be of use to any of you. So trade wisely according to it. So we have passed the consequent encroachment level as well. My target is only $1,000 in profits payout from the wealth or a funded account, so I can buy a futures account from the take profit trader or my funded futures for lucid. My what I say, Blue Guardian Futures account is breached. So if you want to buy a Blue Guardian Futures account, you can use the link from the descriptions. I'm also considering buying a Blue Guardian Futures account with code SMT, so I can get 70% off and a free account upon a payout. So you can use code SMT, and the link is in the description, and code is as well, and you will get a free account when you will reach payout. The market is rejecting from the end of that is normal. That is nothing to worry about. So just rest assured, I'm still looking for the higher prices, and I'm not going to share this trade on X because I haven't shared my Blue Guardian futures certificate, and that I have breached it already. I passed the account in 3 days and breached in 2 days. I don't know what happened to me. I just kept on trading that. I had one, two, and three chances of cutting the trade, ongoing trade at break even, but I did not cut those trades, and that's what costed me the account. I know I'm grieving right now, but this is how it goes when you tamper the. By the way, like the stream and subscribe to the channel if you like my trades. The trade was given live and it was also taken live, so you cannot complain like that I did not take the trade live. I am currently at break even and in profits, and the rest of the profits will be my profit. So I hope I get to I get in profits, and I hope I get the full TP. Just pray for me, and that's all. Just pray for me to take some payouts. I think this is my fifth trading day. I need 10 more trading days to take a payout. We will see on the dashboard very soon. We need just one more candle like this, and like the 50 minutes candle, and we will hit our take profit. And we also have NY session as well. So there is a good news that I have surpassed the uh, break even level on my this funded account, and there is a bad news that I have breached my funded account on Blue Guardian futures. Like Blue Guardian futures is like just an amazing platform that I really want to keep trading with, and I have to buy an account with them. So I will buy an account once I get a payout from this Wealth or a funded account. Well, Wealth or a funded account is bringing copy trading for free on their website, on their servers and their dashboard as well. So we might have some luck there as well. If you have any questions related to this trade, then you can ask me. I will reveal all the secrets of this trade uh, without any what I say, without any hesitations. This trade was taken with a model that is taught by me for free. Hi Sumant, welcome back. So I think I should close this trade at break even right now, or I will just be brief again. But the market went down again. Let's just wait and see what happens. At this was during the macro time frame, right? Yep, this was during the macro time frame. All this action was during macro time frame. We have liquidity here. We have liquidity. Yes, we have liquidity all the top of. We have liquidity all the way up here. That is 27 2 4 2 4 277. If we 24277, if we do this 24277, then we get 900, approximately $900 in profit. 24277. So if we do this, that is the highest of the liquidity here. Let's do this 24277. So our risk to reward becomes 1 is to 17. If we do this, then 300 will be, our total profit will be $500 on this account. So let's do this, and I am taking a big risk here by not going break even on the, right now I am break even plus $70 in profit, and I am taking a very big risk right now, but in increasing my take profit. Is my mic on? Yep, my mic is on. Hello Zenji Trades. Bhai GBP, bhai bro, GBP what? GBP USD, GBP JPY what? Tell me the asset name properly, only then I will be able to analyze. Is it GBP USD, GBP JBP, JPY, GBP AUD? Which asset? Tell me the name properly and I will analyze that asset for you. If you are talking about GBP USD, then let's start with daily time frame. It is having the same kind of price action as well. The market is choppy in the daily time frame. You can look for this target on 1 hour time frame. I don't analyze for hours, so that's, so yeah, we have a market, we have a liquidity swipe on 1 hour time frame. We have another liquidity swipe here as well on 1 hour time frame. Looking at the 15 minutes time frame, we have a liquidity swipe and a market structure shift as well. Looking on the 5 minutes time frame, we have this liquidity swipe as well. Here there is the liquidity swipe, there is liquidity swipe, and then there is a thunder fair value gap. So market is bullish, bro. Market is totally bullish. Market is bullish till this level. Market is bullish till this level. If you are talking about GBP USD, and there is no trade setup right now, so don't even try to get into the markets right now, or you will be chopped off the market from the marketplace. Don't even try to enter right now. Let's see my take P. I am in $146 in profits, and I am willing to retrace my SL. Where would be my SL if I was in 15 minutes time frame? My SL would come at the low of this candle, $360. That would be the break even point. 360. Yes, $360 would be my break even point. Now let's see how this trade will go. Let's just observe this trade now on 5 minutes time frame. Although this trade was taken on 1 minute time frame, we are observing it on 5 minutes time frame. We have very big liquidities above, where the market can go very fast and very quickly. So this will conclude our London session. Now if I had my Blue Guardian futures account right now, then that would have been a great help for me. Like that would have been really great. We are rejecting right now. We had this very good bull run. If we go to $700, I will take a partial only on $700, not before that. I think I should close my trades right now, but I'm still hesitant to do so because the market is really very bullish, and I think the bullish momentum can continue till the 24 277 on the NAS 100. Let's get back to this, and right now we have closed this fair gap, so we are good to go above. The market can come back and touch this uh, end of and then move to the higher side. Let's look at it this in that 1 minute time frame. I hope this fair value gap respects this standard, this normal fair value gap. Well, I am above my TP level. I hope this level is respected as well. I haven't taken my lunch yet. I need to take my lunch as well. I just want this candle, 15 minutes candle to close above the wicks. All I want this 15 minutes candle is to close above this wick, and that's only 1 minute left. I don't think it's possible. Just 42 seconds left for this candle to close. I want this candle to be closed above this wick, this green wick. 30 more seconds left. Market came and touched this fair value gap. No, it didn't touch this fair value gap, but it did indicate this outer block. This fair value gap has held the prices higher. Another 10 seconds to get up. I think the market will stay inside the wicks of the 15 minutes fair value gap. So we have a new 15 minutes fair value gap now. Candle now. And now let's see how it prints on the price chart. So we are going up again. That's a good sign. Let's come back at 5 minutes time frame to observe this trade. As I had said, this might be a pullback, a necessary pullback for the market to continue higher. So we are currently up $1,200 up in profit. It will give me $300 in profit at at most. Then I will have to make $700 more to take out $1,000 of success rate. or something I don't want to reveal. I have not received my funded account with direct funded trader yet, so that is one thing still missing. I will stay here till 5 a.m. That is 30 minutes more, or until this trade has finished. Then I will wrap up the stream and prepare for the New York stream. I want this candle to close above the wick of this candle, of the previous second candle. Just close above this. You know that when the candle closes inside the wick of the previous candle, it is highly likely that the candle will go on barcoding action. That's why I always look at the running candle closes. If the running candle is closing above or below the previous candle's wick. 900, so I need 400. I will be $500 up with if we win this trade. Okay, so it is 279, it is 276, 279, 279. Here it is, 279. We will close this 5 minutes candle in just 20 seconds, and we will see if the candle is going to go bark for the barcoding action or not. I don't want any kind of barcoding action anymore. I want to see big jumps to the high side. So we are back at the opening price of the day. So the market has the potential to give big candles right now to the upside. So our trade and take profit is very well protected. The market is at 24,211. 24,211 is at the market right now. That is, it is going to take out this liquidities very soon. After that, only this liquidity will remain, and the new week opening gap or the new week opening price will be there. And I think market can come all the way up here, and my take profit is still lower than that, so I'm good to go right now. I think I'm very good to go right now. We need just one or two more candles like the previous candle, and we will hit our take profit. So this trade came out to be 1:18 trade. If the profit is hit, take profit is hit. We have our liquidities above, and that is the only reason we are holding this trade. If we didn't had any kind of liquidities above, then there was no reason, and there was no we would have been holding this trade till now, or even moving our stock take profits to the up higher side. And the only regret and grief is that I have breached my Blue Guardian futures account, which is one of the finest futures platform in the industry. We have 1 more minute till this 5 minutes candle will close, and then 5 minutes till this 15 minutes candle will close. So we have a new 5 minutes candle, and sorry, we don't have still we don't have a 5 minutes candle. I want the candle to close above the wick. That is black line. That is this black line. So we have this fair value gap now, and let's see if it just the prices to go higher or it becomes an inversion fair value gap. We are currently $180 up in profits. It can become a good payout. So let me trace the SL to $400. So I am not left with any kind of grief again. This is the last 3 minutes of this 15 minutes fair value gap, 15 minutes candle, the running candle, and then we will have another 15 minutes candle. The market totally filled this 5 minutes fair value gap, so it has no significance anymore. And this week theory didn't even come in any action. I still believe the prices will go up high, but it might take a pullback one or two that it is taking right now. Let's look at 1 minute time frame. At 1 minute time frame, we are quite good to go. We have this propulsion block. Let's see how it acts and how the prices reacts with this. We have this propulsion block. Let's look at 5 minutes time frame and observe it. We have this propulsion block. This propulsion block should be able to push the prices higher. Now let's look at gold. Till then we are observing the in Nasdaq on 5 minutes time frame. The gold also moved higher. So we had this thunder fair value gap here. So market entry could have been here and the market went up. So the gold as well has completed its target only if we were able to hold this trade, but no one could have hold this trade without tracing any kind of SL or something. So after this standard fair value gap, the market went higher, and it still has a lot potential to the high side. So the market will go higher still more. And looking at the oil, we see there is a lot of liquidity below. So if they are anti-correlated, that is Nasdaq and oil, if they are anti-correlated, then there is a potential for Nasdaq as well to go high, a lot high than we can expect, because it has just touched its opening price, which is somewhere 449, which is somewhere here. Yeah, this is the opening price of the day. That's why it's touching it again and again. We are at the opening price again, so market can push all the way up to the new week opening gap and above.